Okay, I want to review a site called CashBlurbs.com. That's CashBlurbs. And it's a site that you can use to get free traffic to your links and to your website. Now, I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to tell you what the pros and cons are, and what is the best way you should use it, and how you should use it, okay? So basically how it works is very simple. You see all these little ads over here that people posted. What you do is you share one of these ads on your own Twitter or Facebook account, and then you post your own ad, and someone else will share it on their Twitter or Facebook account. So you go to step 1 over here. You see this little ad on how to get viral traffic from Facebook. You copy it. Once you've added your social media accounts, you'll see these little links over here. You can click on post, this post button. You'll be taken to Twitter. And once you're on Twitter, you'll paste that ad into your tweet box. You'll tweet it out. And once you do that, you'll be able to post your own ad right over here. And ad goes over here, and you post your link, and you click submit. It'll be added to this queue over here, and it will come up by someone else's box, and they will share it on their own Twitter or Facebook accounts, okay? So again, very simple. You post someone else's ad on your social media, someone else will post your own ad on their social media. Now, if you're a free member, you can post up to 10 ads a day. If you're a paid member with just $20 a month, you can post unlimited ads a day, as long as you wait 20 minutes between every ad. Now, so the pros of using the system is, well, that you can get unlimited free traffic, or at least if you're using the paid membership, you can get unlimited traffic. But even if you're using the free membership, you can get lots of free traffic this way. For example, let's say your own Twitter account has only 100 followers. You can get your ad shared by someone who has 5,000 followers on their Twitter accounts. And I've seen that happen. I've seen my ad being shared on Twitter accounts that have thousands of followers. So the system does work. On the other hand, the cons of using this is that some people have fake accounts, or they might have a fake Twitter account with no followers or only 10 followers, or they might post the ad and delete it right away, or just click the post button and then not end up posting your ad. I've seen these stuff happen. They say they monitor it and make sure that you have at least 75 followers. They say they monitor it, but I've seen these fake stuff going on. So that's a con, okay? Now, doesn't mean you shouldn't use it, because as I've said before, you can get free traffic this way, because there are plenty of real accounts with lots of followers. So that's one pro and con. Another con is that if you keep posting these ads on your Facebook or Twitter accounts, people are it's going to look quite spammy. You see all these ads, make $300 a day with just a few minutes work, must-see training, $100 a day. There's lots of spammy ads going to affiliate links. And if you keep posting these on your Twitter or Facebook accounts, you're going to, even if you don't get banned, you're going to get a lot of unfollowers and unfriends, okay? A lot of people are going to unfriend you. So what I do is I create a separate Twitter account. This is what I recommend as well. You can create a separate Twitter account, and you can use it just for CashBlurbs, or, not just for CashBlurbs, but you won't have your regular friends on there. You'll have a separate account, and you can use that separate account for CashBlurbs. Obviously, you do need to have followers to use this. So you can use twins or twens. It's like friends, that's twins. It's a free site. Twins.com. Basically, you follow other people, and other people will follow you, and you can get lots of real followers this way using Twins.com. So you can set up a separate Twitter account, use Twins.com to get real followers, and then use that separate Twitter account for CashBlurbs, okay? And the other thing I want to say is that if you could post, links to your affiliate links at your website, first of all, you shouldn't be in the make money online niche. that most of the people using this are in to make money online it. Even then, you probably won't get a lot of sales that way. The best way probably to use it is to build a list. If you post links to a landing page or a squeeze page and you build your list that way, instead of posting links straight to affiliate links, probably won't work as well. Okay, that's basically the review. It's a good site. You can use it to get free traffic. It does have its cons, but it definitely works. You can set up a separate Twitter account, use Trends, and use it to build your list, which is what I do. Thank you for watching.